You're kidding. Little punk tries to throw me off a train. We get into a fight and he falls off. Cops ask me why I did a thing like that. I tell them why. For 3 hours, I tell them why. They don't believe me.
Hey guys, don't mind my hair in this video. I just got out of the shower and it's just like super huge. But unfortunately, as you can tell by the title of this video, our 350Z got hit, it got injured. Pikachu needs to see Nurse Joy. Before I show you guys the damage, I'm not too mad about it. I'm just happy it happened to the Z as opposed to the Evo, because like I said, the Z is my daily, and if something happens to it, I'd rather have the Z break down, or I'd rather have the Z get written off than the Evo, because I've spent so much money and time with the Evo. But anyways, here's the damage. So we have a little scuff on the wrap here going all across the glass. This whole piece, I don't even know where it is. I don't know how you managed to take that off, but it's off. The scuff continues on the original paint here, which is actually dented a bit here and all across here, and you can tell that there is also a dent on the hatch. You guys can see on here there is a dent, so that will have to be popped out. And also there's this huge like tire mark on the side of the car. It kind of looks like I went for a tandem a bit, but that's not the case. It looks like, I think, a bicycle. But the weirdest thing is, you guys can kind of see there are more scuffs on top here. With like, the car isn't a small car, and I don't understand how a wheel would get up here. But on the bright side, the person who did hit the Z did leave a note, and he gave me his contact information and stuff like that. He's willing to pay for my deductible, so everything with the insurance place is good. I just hate dealing with insurance. I wish I could just fix it myself, because I'd rather do that than have someone else do it. Again, I don't want to pay for all of this because it's not my fault. Another thing, unfortunately, our mirror is broken. I put some electrical tape just to hold it on, just so it doesn't scratch any of the wrap. Unfortunately, this will have to be replaced. And to my knowledge, the normal like USDM 350Zs, the mirrors are, I think, manual. This ones are electric. I'm not 100% sure if I can get like an electric one that isn't from Japan. This one is broken, so I'm gonna have to deal with this with the insurance company tomorrow and see what they can do about it. Alright, so obviously in this video I want to tell you guys what happened, how the Z got hit. If you guys are OG to the channel, you guys know that I have a separate storage place where I keep my Evo, and I parked my Z outside on the street. Now, I didn't think much of it. It's not a street that has like very high traffic, so I parked it on the street. I wasn't too far out. I was like within the legal, you know, when you go for like a road test and you park and you parallel park, I was within that, you know, I was about less than a foot away from the curb, so how you should parallel park. Anyways, so I went and parked the Z there for probably, I want to say, just over 24 hours, no more than 2 days. I took the Evo out, I started working on it, as you guys will see or may not have seen yet. I did film a couple videos with the Evo, so I went ahead and did that. And usually when I'm done driving the car, or when I want to store it again, I bring it back down. And I was with Kevin, and unfortunately when we went out, it was on the passenger side, so the normal driver's side. So when Kevin went up to his side of the car, he looked at it and he was like, this doesn't really look right, it looks like broken. And then he didn't really click because I was on the phone at the time. But Kevin's like, yo, hold up, come over here. And then we noticed all the damage that I just showed you on the Z. Now, like I said, I am pretty happy. I'm not happy about the whole thing. I hate dealing with insurance brokers or MPI or anything like that. I just hate dealing with that. So that sucks, but I'm glad it happened to the Z as opposed to my Evo. And the guy who hit the car left a note, and he said that he was driving his bike and he hit the mirror and he fell down and he damaged the car. So I hope he's okay. The car is a car, it's always repairable. It just sucks I have to like deal with this, but it is what it is, and I hope the guy's okay and all that. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video just to update you guys with what's going on. I will update you guys also with when it's all fixed and stuff. Again, sorry about the hair. This is just how my hair is. Alright, so that's it for the video. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out and make it happen.